Hello, super deformed collectors. As you can see in my history, I like Choroqs quite a bit. I have several hundred. But I was perusing eBay looking for normal looking vehicles, and one of these things came up in some sort of feed, searching for one vehicle. People bought this also. So I never knew about any of these things up until now. These are called Phat Boyz, and they're from my. Yes, well, look at the box, see how old they are, but they're really deformed vehicles. And Red Room Diecast actually had a video on this. He's in my subscriptions, and seems like there's hundreds of them, so I'm probably just going to get a few. I can't track all these down. Well, you never know. We got to take a look and see what's going on first. Alright, so here's a 5-pack. They had 2-packs, 5-packs, play sets, big carriers, and all that stuff. Alright, so this one, there's a number here, 82046. It's the same number on each box, yet the contents are different. I'm trying to look for like a date. There's a website, phatboyscars.com. Let's see if that goes anywhere. Nope, I took a look and that website went nowhere. Alright, well anyways, here's some pictures of some playsets here. And then here there's 4 packs listed in the year, what? I don't see any sort of year of licensing or anything like that. So that's unfortunate. Simple Wishes seems to be the brand. So that's too bad. Maybe it's on the bottom of each model, maybe. Maybe not, probably not, but there's a whole lot of tape. This one actually looks like it was opened before, actually, but or not. I don't know. Very old. The plastic here is yellowed. I might as well open the other one while we're at it. Some mangled up boxes. Alright, so each of these sleeves actually has the printing of the car. So this is a 57 T-Bird, for instance. The question is it written on the car? Awesome. Awesome. So you don't need to have the packaging. That's what every car toy company should do. So forget the packaging. This also says, I think, 2002 or 3. 2003. So yeah, we know what the car is, and it just says PB. It'd be nice if it said Phat Boyz. There's one screw holding the thing together, and are these plastic? Yeah, they're plastic tires. It's interesting, the fronts are wider than the rears, so maybe because it's supposed to, yeah, these are hidden away under that skirt. Alright, it's really quite interesting. They're so wide, yet so low. I've never seen this kind of deformation before. So it's really cool, I think. Darn it, now I kind of want them all. But I don't want to pay inflated used toy prices on eBay. They have an exposed axle, so I'm going to guess they actually roll pretty well. Yeah, I mean, sorry, I hit the focus. They're very light, though. These are not die-cast, I don't think. Or are they? No, I think this is all plastic, this body. You can tell here. I think, yeah, there's like, you know what, let me open one up. Get the good old screwdriver. Let's take a look at the inside of this one. Yeah, it's definitely plastic, painted plastic, just like a Choroq. Yeah, relative. Nah, I don't know how thick those axles are. If I had to guess, they might be a millimeter. So thicker than Hot Wheels. Let me put that back. Okay, so yeah, it's crazy. Let me get my calipers. I'm kind of curious, like how tall this thing is. All right, my little cheap Harbor Freight calipers here. Back out here. Well, it's hard to say because it crushed the. Let me try a different one. See, I know. Oh, this caliper doesn't have the protrusion there because they're cheap calipers. Well, the body is only 10.5 on that one. Maybe it changes. Yeah, this one looks like it's taller. So yeah, 12 or so. Or actually, I didn't screw this back in tight enough. Yeah, well, forget it. They seem to be so different, so I'm not even sure if it's worth measuring. So that was the 57 T-Bird, this guy right here. I guess I should put the spinning thing out, huh? And actually I'll lower the angle because they're so low as it is. Try to get a human perspective. Even, no, it's still too high up, but so let's try to get this nice and tight on this guy. Okay, so 57 T-Bird, this guy. This next one is a 1964 Ford Galaxy 500. See, this was a totally different deformation, whereas the last one was wide in the back. This one is wide in the front, and then the back tapers off quite a bit. And it's super low. So this is really funny. I mean, they're like hockey puck cars. Funky, really funky. Alright, this next one's a 1998 Mustang Convertible. And yeah, it's got I guess the tallest part is the wing now. So, interesting, the wheels are different. Those first two had just basic, like, hubcap style wheels, but this has, like, these swept 5 spokes. And you'll notice they actually have mirrors on this one with some silver paint. So they're the first one, but not the last one. And then the tampo prints on the taillights are okay, the headlights are okay, some black on the top venting there. So, all the printed details one would find on like a Cherokee, even more in cases. Basic Cherokees lack a lot of paint. Here we go. That's a nice one. This is a 66 Mustang. Different wheels again, right? The little turn signals printed. The racing stripes look pretty good. Yeah, this one has an even taper, kind of bulges out in the middle. Hood pins. Yeah, very cool. This one actually has equal sized tires. It's funny that they actually also even have some undercarriage details. But this one doesn't say what the vehicle is. So let me go back. Nor does this Mustang. Darn, nor does this Galaxy. So I'm going to have to put stickers on the bottom of these things because I'm never going to remember what a lot of these are. And speaking of which, the next one is a 1956 Ford pickup, but nothing on the bottom. And that's also got a flame paint job. So that's pretty cool. These make me laugh. That front end is crazy. Look at that thing. Cool, cool. I'm very happy. Collecting models is like watching movies. Sure, I like dramas. I like documentaries, even the depressing ones about all the pollution in the world. But I also love comedies. You know, I like to laugh. So this is a comedy for me, and hopefully it is for you too. What we have here is a 1969 Chevy Camaro Ss. So we got what kind of wheels? Yeah, the same as that other Mustang. The front end is really, I don't know if this is screwed together. It's not, it wasn't tight enough. I just pushed it together. It looked like the front end was a gasser. No, it still looks like a gasser. What's going on? Let me inspect this thing. No, I guess that's by design. This one just says trademark GM, but it doesn't tell you it's a Camaro. So it's too bad. But the front end is really high up. Interesting. It's a regular medium taper. Front is bulging on the middle. This next one is probably the most modern one. It's a 2002 Corvette C06. Yeah, I think that's the newest one in this lineup here. It's got the swept wheels again. It's got the Corvette badge on the hood. Even a white license plate. Man, these things are ridiculous. Nothing on the bottom worth reading about. No name or anything like that. Mirrors. Pretty good effort on the mirrors. Alright, next one. Oh, this might be my favorite. I don't know if it's my favorite yet. This is a 63 Corvette. Good old Stingray. Nice. I like the little light. Oh, this one actually has a license plate printed on. I think this is the first license plate printed on. All the other ones had blank plates. So it might be hard to see. Hold on, let me hit the focus. Ah, come on. Too close. Corvette 63 on the back. Just a different way. Corvette 63. So that's cool. Wish they did that on all of them, but nothing written on the bottom. But I guess if it's on the license plate, then that's fine. You know what it is. Uh-oh, this might be my favorite. This is a 68 GTO Pontiac. I think the color is really helping it out. The wing is relatively well done, actually. I'm not sure about the hood, though. Like, the silver and the two black dots in the middle of the hood, I don't think that makes sense. Right? Or was there a model like that? I don't know. Unfortunately, the bottom doesn't say much. It looks really like a worn out mold as well. Okay. And the last one is a 57 Bel Air. This is really strange looking. It's, you know, bowing out in the middle from the top view, but it also looks like it's sinking down in the middle, you know, which makes it look a little bit odd. Which is odd to say about such a super deformed vehicle. But all the other ones look a little more normal, if you can say that. This looks the oddest as far as its proportioning. Like, even the side windows look like they're curving down. It might be an illusion, though. No, actually, they are curving down. The fenders are clearly higher on the ends. This one has wiper blades. I think that's the only one with wiper blades, yes. So it's interesting, all the different details. Does this have cleared headlights? No, they're painted blue. The blue headlights there. And the bottom of this again. So that's a shame. Only one of these actually tells you what the car is on the bottom. And then only one tells you via license plates. All the other ones, you're going to have to really know your cars to know what they are, which I don't. I can't memorize thousands of vehicles. Alright, well anyways. So, this one actually has pretty clear plastic. This one is highly yellowed. Even though it came from the same eBay seller. They're so ridiculous. So, do any of you guys have a favorite? Do you think you'll track these down? I'm on it. To be honest with you, I do want to get more of them. I'd like to get one of each casting, but they seem to be pretty pricey on eBay. You know, I have a suspicion these didn't cost too much, you know, back when they were new. But, well, if they come up with a decent deal, I'll pick them up. If not, this will be the end of it. Okay, well, thanks for watching today. Hopefully you enjoyed this new type of deformation. I sure did. Thanks.